Hello friends, welcome to CodeChamp. Now this is the class of the scratch. In the last class, I told you that we can make the catching game. I have taken this background, Santa Claus, gift, and one bomb. And we have completed the bomb coding. Like if I'm pressing it, it is coming up to down. So now in this class, we will complete this game. So let's continue with the last class. So now I'm going to create two more background, one for game over and one for winner. So I'm clicking here. I'm choosing one backdrop. Suppose I'm going to take this light. Come here on this backdrop button and then click here on this backdrop. Now just click on this T and I want to type here winner. Now after this, for winner, I'm going to take green color as per your choice. This is my one. I'm just increasing it. If I want to change the font style, I can change the font style from here. I also want to change the color. So just take this bucket. I want to fill here green color. So now my banner has converted in green color. Remember, we will click on T, type here text, and in place of light, this is the costume. And now I'm renaming the costume. Now I make it winner. In the same way, I want to make one more backdrop regarding game over. Again, I'm taking light. You can choose any background as per your choice. Now take game over and I'm typing here game over. I want to keep it red. So these all are the colors. You can choose the color as per your choice. Font style is quite okay. So I don't want to change the font style again. Clicking on this fill bucket option and now this is game over. So like this, we have made winner, we have made game over, and also I will rename it game over. Okay, so now I have created two more backdrop and this background for the playing one. Now, first of all, you can also do till here. And after that, I will tell you more. I hope till here it's clear for you. Now, let's continue. Okay, friends. So till here we have completed. Now we have already made two backdrop, one backdrop for winner and one backdrop for game over. Now, after this, what we will do, we will come to the Santa Claus coding. And in this Santa Claus coding, I want if this gift will touch the Santa Claus, then the game will increase the score. So first of all, we will take here van click. After that, we will take here control forever. Here we have two condition. One condition if for game over. Second condition if for winner. So I want operator come to the sensing option. Take this touching mouse pointer. Now in place of this mouse pointer, I'm taking bomb. My bomb is this one. So if it will touch bomb, then come to the looks and choose switch backdrop to game over. And I want everything should be stop. So stop will be in the control option. Go to the control and choose stop all and keep it here. Now I want whenever I will click here. Right now, as you can see here, if I'm pressing, now my game over. Now I want if I will click here, then it will come to the main screen. So for this, we will come again on the looks and choose switch backdrop to my backdrop name. You can choose your backdrop name as my backdrop name is A. So I'm taking switch backdrop to A. So whenever I will click here, I will come on my main backdrop. And when I will move it, and if I will touch the bomb, then the game will over. Like this, I want to make it for the winner one. So we will come here on the gift option. And after this gift, we will click here on the control. Firstly, we choose van click. And after that, we will come to control and choose forever. Here, we will take one more if. And I want if it will touch this gift. So we will come to the sensing option. And then we will choose here touching. My gift name is, you get Santa Claus. And if the gift will touch the Santa Claus, then come to the variable and take change score by 1. And take set score by 1 under the van click. So now when I'm running it, if I'm touching this gift, my score is increasing. But what is happening? My score is increasing very fast. So same thing we will do again. We will come here and go to random position. And I want that it will go to the upside automatically. So we will choose here in the motion one, set by to 180 as we did before. So whenever it will touch the Santa Claus score will increase and again it will go upside. Now I'm going to play the game. It is touching and this is game over. So I hope this part is properly clear for you. Just to till here. After that, I will tell you more. As you can see here that we have completed all the coding. Now one coding is remaining, that is the winner. For this winner screen, come to the gift coding and we will choose one more if in this position. So come to the control and choose one more if, keep it here. And the condition is this, take equal operator. Suppose if my score is 10. So come to variable, take the variable of a score. Now, if my score is equal to 10, then in the logs, it will do switch backdrop to winner. And the winner will be decided. After that, again, I want it will go upside. So same coding we will do in the motion, go to random position and set y to 180. If we will do like this, then it will go upside and it can control your screen very easily, very properly. I hope everything is clear till here. Let me play the game. This is game over. And if I will increase the score, like I'm just touching one gift, then you can see my score is increasing. With the help of arrow keys, I'm controlling it. Fine. Now just complete this and enjoy your game. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Arish beta, now complete this quickly.
Mom, gift again.
Yes.
So, how many pages done? Today. Mom, is this equal?
Equal 50. And in place of 50, type there 10.
Mom, why don't have score?
Because you haven't make. Go to the variable and make the variable of a score.
Mom, then here how I want to put.
Beta?
Then the 10 there how I want to put score.
Beta, if you want to put a score, then you have to make it now. Let me control your screen. First of all, go to variable, make a variable, and variable name is score. You already made. Okay. Scores. And here you will put it here. Okay. Now
Okay.
switch backdrop to winner.
Ma'am, the set y to the one the number what?
But you have to change the number now. Type here 180. 180. One eight zero. Is it working?
Yes, ma'am.
Play the game, beta. Yes. Fine, it's working. And just show me the gift coding. This coding you have done here. Where is the coding of touching ball? This is game over. ठीक है. This is bomb. Random position, switch backdrop. And beta, you should take change score now. That if it will touch it, then the score should also change. So your score will change. We haven't take this one. Okay, and take this set score to 0 in the starting. Are you getting? Now when you will touch, play the game, when you will touch the gift, your score will increase. Okay? When, if score is equal to 20, what have you done? Arish beta, it's compulsory that you should watch the class video again and then do. You have done many mistakes. Okay?
Ma'am.
It should be switch backdrop to winner. You haven't done the coding for winner. And also in the control, you should take stop all. After this, you have to take one more if and keep it here. And it will say if, come to the sensing, choose touching Santa. If gift will touch the Santa Claus. And then it should be this one. And also we will take switch backdrop to winner. Okay, so you have to try.
Okay, ma'am.
Is it clear, beta?
Yeah, ma'am.
I hope this time it will work properly and you will do the practice also.
Why not coming to the? Why he coming? Oh,
Fine.
fine.
And I have to take stop all. Fine. Okay,
Then
Arish. हाँ जी
ma'am,
बेटा.
why he not coming to the Christmas place?
It is not coming. So just do one thing. Just choose switch backdrop 2 and keep it here. And what is your backdrop name? Your backdrop name is Christmas, right? Okay.
Ma'am.
I'm clicking here on save now. And it's compulsory, Arish, that you should do the practice.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.